Over the years, I've straddled two worlds. One, the world of spirituality, and the other, the world of science. Because spirituality is rooted in ancient wisdom traditions, the metaphors and language of these wisdom traditions do not necessarily compute with the metaphors and examples that the scientific language uses. So, of course, ancient wisdom traditions talk about the perceived world as a projection, illusion. We could say movie, dream, fluctuation of consciousness. Metaphors used since ancient times, as the snake and the rope. We mistake the rope for the snake, and that's the illusory nature of perception. It is sometimes very difficult to talk to scientists about these ancient traditions because the metaphors seem kind of primitive to scientific terminology. So today I want to actually share an argument with you that since these days everything is, in a sense, computational technology, my argument is that we created computational technology because we ourselves, as biological organisms, are expressions of computational technology in cosmic consciousness. So let's see if we can break this argument down and see if it makes any sense to you. The relationship between biological organisms and computational technology is, in my view, a profound and intricate one. At its core, what I'm suggesting is that our development of computational technology is not merely a product of human ingenuity, but rather a reflection of our nature as biological organisms that embody computational processes within the broader framework of cosmic consciousness. Biological organisms, including us humans, can be viewed as complex computational systems. The processes that govern our biology, such as neural activities, genetic coding, and biochemical reactions, can be likened to, in my view, computational algorithms. Look at human neural networks, or just neural networks, but particularly the human brain, with its intricate network of neurons. It operates quite similarly to artificial neural networks used in machine learning. This suggests that our cognitive processes are fundamentally computational. Look at genetic information. DNA serves as a code that carries instructions for building and maintaining organisms analogous to programming languages in computational technology. Also, the emergence of conscious experience itself can be seen as an emergent property of these biological computations. Just note, I said the concept of conscious experience itself is an emergent property. I didn't say consciousness is an emergent property, but conscious experience is an emergent property. And I think it can be seen as an emergent property of biological computations. As we evolve and develop more sophisticated neural architecture, our capacity for self-awareness, reasoning, and creativity also expands. Of course, I have always maintained that the ground state of all existence is cosmic consciousness, which is not limited to individual organisms, but is part of a larger interconnected consciousness that pervades the entire universe. Therefore, our ability to create technology may stem from this collective consciousness driving us to explore and innovate. The development of computational technology, therefore, in my view, could be viewed as an extension of our innate capabilities as biological beings. Just as early humans created tools to manipulate their environment, modern languages have developed computational technologies to enhance our understanding of complex systems, including our own biology. The creation of computers and algorithms mirrors our cognitive processes, suggesting that these technologies are not separate from us, but rather an extension of our own intelligence and problem-solving abilities. What I'm proposing as an argument further posits that the universe operates as a vast interconnected system where all entities, including biological organisms and computational technologies, contribute to a greater whole. Look at feedback loops. The innovations in computational technology can enhance our understanding of conscious experience and biology, creating a feedback loop that deepens our insight into both our nature and the universe. As we develop computational technologies, we are not just creating tools, we are evolving as a species, integrating our understanding of the cosmos into our technological advancements. So I know this sounds radical, my friends, but I suggest to you that the creation of computational technology can be viewed as a natural progression of our existence as biological organisms embedded within cosmic consciousness. I think this perspective that I'm sharing with you invites us to consider our technological innovations not merely as artifacts of human achievement, but as expressions of the deeper computational processes that define our existence and our connection to the universe. By recognizing this relationship, I hope we can foster a more harmonious integration of technology and consciousness, ultimately enhancing our understanding of both ourselves and the cosmos. We, as conscious beings and cosmic consciousness, are computationally entangled. Let me know what you think, and we can continue this conversation if you want, and you can engage with my digital twin on your browser by going to digitaldeepak.ai, and Digital Dharma is now available, and you can use it to clarify your understanding of personal well-being and elevate your spiritual intelligence by using the correct prompts. Let me know how this goes for you.